So today we're going to be talking about how you guys can be making money clipping on TikTok. So look, I know someone who is personally using, or who personally started off by using my face, my everything, my clips from YouTube, and have turned it into a full business by just clipping my stuff and putting it on TikTok, right? I'm not going to reveal how much he's making, but he's making some good money, right? So as you can see, this is all me. This is all mine. This is all, my stuff right here. But I'm going to go to this page right here, right? Let's go to the users. Okay. I'm going to go to this account right here. This account is not mine. I know a lot of people are going to be like, bro, it's yours. I can guarantee you, I don't know who this person, well, I do know, but I can guarantee you this is not me, right? And as you can see here, these are all clips. This is not me. This is just clips. Okay. And a lot of people don't think you can make a lot of money on TikTok. You can make a lot of money on TikTok, right? Especially the way the RPMs are now and everything like that. You can make a lot of money. You can make a full-time living on TikTok, 100%, especially once you get in the creator program, which this person is in the creator program right here, right? Once you get 10,000 followers, you just apply. I'm sure they had 100,000 views already at the time, because when we go down to, let's scroll down real quick so I can show you, like some of these are mine, but he clipped it, right? But I'm gonna go way down when this person started, if he still has the clips up. So pretty much what you could do is, like this video, for instance, you could take this video, clip it, put it on TikTok, and potentially make a lot of money, right? I'm not going to copyright any of it, whatever the case is. I'm giving you guys the okay, pretty much. I'm trying to help my people out, or those people who don't want to put their face on TikTok or anything like that, or on camera. This is a way you can do it. Okay. So we're going to scroll down all the way to the bottom, and then you'll start seeing a lot of my clips. Okay. Boom. You can see here, this is my clip.
The WNBA playoffs just right around the corner. What are you watching most closely on this final night of the season?
Okay.
Yeah, tomorrow.
So you can see that's me. All of this is me. You can see all this right here. 84,000 views. This is my clip.
It's just a mental thing for me. I mean, I take these shots all the time. I work on them. I was in the gym last night shooting threes, like all night, being able to be with my trainer, just doing that, and just being able to continue to gain confidence.
Is that what hurts your wrist? Because, bro, I'm sorry, I don't see anything yet to help this team. See? So you can see all of this is mine. 50,000 views.
On a deep playoff run.
We can go on and on and on. So this person used my clips, and like literally from here on down, this is all me. As you can see, I'll scroll. This is all me. I don't know what this is, but the majority of this is me. You can look down, 100,000 views, 500,000 views right here at 500,000. This is all mine.
Sorry, say that again.
So as you can see, clip after clip after clip, and look at the views they're getting. And this was on a new account. So imagine you could do this, stick with it. You could potentially be getting millions of views a month, bringing in a lot of money, right? And like I said, I'm giving the okay. I'm not here to, whatever the case is, copyright. No, I'm letting you know. I put people on like that. Anybody I know who comes to me be like, oh, yo, bro, how can I? Bro, I have thousands of videos on YouTube. Go on there, clip them, do whatever you want, and make some money. It's that easy. Go copy the video, go put it on CapCut, let CapCut clip it up, or you can screen record it. This person, he was obviously using some type of clipping service like CapCut. And then I've seen someone else do it with my account where they're using just screen recordings, and it worked out just fine for them. Right? And it's all clips. And they're probably making thousands of dollars every month now. So I'm just letting you guys know, man, TikTok, you can make a lot of money. And if you wanted to do it a way where you don't have to use your face, this is definitely a way, and the reason that this is so successful is because someone like myself who's pumping out 10 videos a day, there's always going to be content for you. So with one video, you can get about 5 to 10 clips, right? So if I'm putting out 5 to 10 videos a day, you should be able to clip up 50 clips in a day or two and have a lot of content and you'll be able to grow fast. I already have a name for myself in the industry. I already have, you know, my face has already been explored on the app multiple times, like I showed you. We can go right here, type in CEO Kana, right? And we're gonna go down, down, down. This is anything that has to do, like my hashtag, it's all this is under my hashtag. We can go on and on and on and on. It's gonna go all day. Okay. So yeah, that's just the easy way for you guys to do it. I know a lot of people want to do it without showing their face. So I'm just showing you a way you could do it. Right. So that's just one way. If you guys ever go on TikTok or go on YouTube, just type in CEO Kana, you'll be able to see all my content there. And you guys can get rolling, no problem. Just go ahead and put CEO Kana, make an account, CEO Kana, boom, start putting the clips up. There you go. It's gonna take work. It's not gonna be all easy, but it is gonna take work. So you guys can do it. I've seen people do it. Me personally, I've ran a clip account before, like right here, but that's what I got for you guys, man. Let me know what you guys think about the video. Make sure you guys hit that like button, drop a comment down below. If you guys need help with this, please let me know. If you guys need direction on where to get my clips and things like that, or where to get my videos to clip up, please let me know. But once again, I'm trying to help you make money. So just, you know, hit that like button. I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out.